Hello, welcome back on question 46 NOV-DEC 2024. We are to arrange the following fraction in ascending order of magnitude. Don't forget, arranging in ascending order simply means starting from the smallest to the highest. Now, and these are all negative integers, so we first need to convert them into a whole number, then we can ascertain which one is the smallest and the highest. Now, how do we change that? We look at for an LCM that the denominators can easily divide. You're looking for a term or a number that or a multiple that each of these numbers can easily divide. And looking at it, I am looking at 36 because 3, 4, 6 can divide 36. Then 9 can also divide it as well. So we multiply. So we multiply each fraction by 36. So minus 5 on 9 times 36. We know 9 is going there 4. 4 times negative 5 will give us negative 20. We pick negative 1 on 4 times 36. We know 4 go there 9. 9 times minus 1, minus 9. Minus 5 on 6 by 36. We know 6 will go into 36 6 times 5. That will be minus 30. Then we are going to have minus 2 on 3 times 36. 3 goes here 12. 12 times minus 2 minus 24. All right. Now, if you look at the numbers, they are all negative, right? Now, to check their value, first ignore the negative and see. The smallest number will be 9. The smallest number here is the largest, rather. 9, as with the negative sign, will be bigger than 30 with the negative sign. Don't forget, on the number line, as you are moving away from the 0, all numbers to the left of every number is smaller. All the numbers to the left. So if I have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, you can see this number is at the left of negative 2. So this is smaller than this. This is smaller than this. This is smaller than this. The same time, if I have 1, 2, 1 is at the left of 2. So 1 is less than. So in here, we are going to say that the smallest is going to be this, followed by this to 9. So the negative 9 becomes the biggest among them all. So let's see how the arrangement is going to be. So this implies that negative 30 is less than negative 24, less than negative 20, less than negative 9. Therefore, what fraction gives us this? That is minus 5 on 6. Then, which one gives us minus 24? Minus 2 on 3. This will be minus 5 on 9. Then minus 1 on what? 4. These arrangements that is in ascending order from the smallest to the highest. So let's see which option we are going to pick for that. This is 5 on 6, 5 on 6. But we are having this supposed to be here, so this is going to be the C. The right option is going to be option C from here, based on this. This is not the only way we can do it. We can also convert all of them into fractions, into percentages. Then we compare their percentages, and that will still give us the same solution. I guess this is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.